Welcome to qnawire.
So H2O liquid at 30 degrees Celsius is 125.7 kilojoules per kg. So H steam 20 bar set D is equal to 2797.2 kilojoule per kg. This value are obtained using steam table. So Q is equals to 0.65 813 kilowatt, 523 kilowatt. Apply energy equation to the process delta H plus delta E K plus delta E P is equal to Q minus WS. In this process delta E K and delta E P and WS is equal to 0. Delta H is equal to Q, delta H is equal to M delta H. Therefore, M delta H is equal to Q. M is equal to Q by delta H, which is 523 kilowatt divided by 2797.2 minus 125.7 joules per kg. It's 523 kilojoule per second by 26715 kilojoule per kg. So M is equal to 0.1957 kilogram by second, which is 704.77 kilogram by joule. V is 704.77 kilogram by HR into 0.0995 meter cube by kg. So which is equal to 70.12 m³ by HR. Our safety steam at 20 bar. V equal to NLT by P. Which is 704.77 into 10 cube mole by 18.02 into 0.08314 bar L bar by 20 bar mole dot K into 485.4 kg, which is V equal to 78.91 meter cube by HR. So the calculation in B is more accurate because the steam table account for the effect of pressure on specific enthalpy, non-ideal gas behavior. Most energy released goes to raise the temperature of the combustion products. Some is transferred to the boiler, to the boiler tubes and walls, and some is lost to the surrounding.